want to ask, the Sambada. The Sambada.
Which one?
Sambada.
Brother.
Yeah, Sambada. How to do it with a short knife?
It's cutting. This.
So it's here?
Yeah, but opposite.
Opposite.
This one. This one.
So the first one is here.
Yeah, the first one is hand.
So I attack here.
Then I cut up.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Then other side.
Aside is
Like this.
here. Okay.
Yes. So this time is opposite because why? Okay. If you do this, it's too late. Then sometimes you have to cut, but no option. Either inside the hand or outside the hand is the same. The only different is the direction of the angle of the hand.
Yeah.
But the principles behind is the same, cutting up.
Oh, cutting up. Yeah.
Yes, cutting up. Yes. So the same with this.
Oh, here is here. Okay.
Yes, not inside.
Cut inside.
Out, upper.
Okay.
Yes. Also in the stick, the same.
Yeah, the stick is the same. The stick is here and here.
Yes. So that's why the stick, you do like the stick like this. Why? Because the stick is longer. The stick is longer, so that's why your hand is inside.
Okay. Oh.
Okay. And also like this.
Okay.
This one is the hand is, this one is inside, this one is outside.
Okay.
So that's why you cut up like this. Maestra, halika muna. So I'll show you some technique and some rada or herada.
Thank you, madam. Good morning.
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 So herada, this one.
Yeah.
So inside,
Yeah.
this way.
Okay.
Other one is like this.
Oh. Okay.
Yes. This one completely.
Yeah.
So you cut him up.
Okay.
Cut up. And this one is controlled by the hand control and cut up.
Okay.
Okay. So for number 2, the same.
Yeah.
Yes. Because why? You cannot do like this. Okay. Always inside. Like this.
Oh, so this is a cutting.
Yes. Always cutting up.
This is not block.
No, it's not a block. It's a deflect and cut up.
Okay.
So it's like one, it's deflect and cut
Yeah.
and control. So the block is like this. This is block. That's only block. But
Okay.
if you apply the combat application of herada, it is like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. And also number 2, like this.
Okay.
Okay. And also number 2, like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Makes sense.
Go to the body.
Yeah.
Yes. That's why Hirada stick against knife. One. This time is over.
Okay.
You can do it also the same. So up to you. You can do it outside. outside, you can do it inside. And then number 2, cut the hand or cut the body. Yes. That's the purpose. So the dress is like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That.
Okay.
Yes. So after the bells, you can do it like this. Look. So you parry, look. Cut the hand, including the neck, Look. Cut the hand in the neck, then go back, parry, and control the body, the elbow, and stop. Yes.
Okay.
Then you can control like this and throw.
Yeah.
By thing like this. Yes. And throw like that. Okay. Number 2, cut the hand, cut this one, cut under. Okay, then parry. And stop. Lock the elbow. And stop. Yes. So you lock the elbow. Like that's how we call this armbar.
Yeah, armbar, yeah.
Yeah, armbar. Okay, you can do it wing lock. Number 3, and up. Then go back, cut the neck, parry, and stop. Stop and do banda, stop, downward figure 8, stop, upward figure 8. See everything. Small circuit, small upward figure 8, small downward figure 8 to the side. Number 4, cut up. Okay, so you cut up like this, 1, and then parry downward, apply wing lock. Then palm, then knee. Yes. Number 5, cut up also. Like that. Okay. Then stop. Parry. The same. Yes. Then you can grab the hand and then disarm. Number 6, cut the hand. Okay. Cut the hand. Okay. And disarm. Yes. Like that. So the knife for knife. Okay, this is for knife. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? Always control. Then after that, you can counter and control my hand. Look, 1. 1. And parry. Chop, tap, parry. Control and thrust. Sometimes 1. Radar. Palm up. Yes. Always palm up. Okay. Look. 1. Yes. See, even if I tap this hand, then control again. See, remove and control again. See, still control. So 1 more time. 1. See, even if I touch, even if I remove the hand, she still cut me. I cannot.
Yeah, true, yeah.
Even if I remove, even if I block the hand, look. Brother, even if I block, continue. See? That's why the motion of circular motion, this is very important. So look, 1, I block, circular. See? You cannot. Otherwise, I will go like this. Look. See? Dintras. I grab. Yes, see, but see, the maestro responds immediately. So even if I grab the hand, stop. I grab again. See, go. See, still counter. So the motion did not stop.
Yeah.
Okay, so one more time. 1. See, even if I catch with my other hand, cannot. So one more time. See, it's dangerous.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's the same. Number 2. Rada. I catch. This is what we call counter to counter.
Yeah.
Number 3. So this is what we call counter to counter.
Yeah. Okay.
From Hirada movement.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so number 3, I cut the hand, I cut the thigh. Hirada. I grab. Pari. Circular. Yan. Catch. Stop. See? So one more time. 3. Good. 4. Pari. See? 5. That's how you practice with Hirada.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's why it's cutting. It is different also with tertia. Remember tertia?
Yeah. Remember? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So, maestra, halika muna. The tertia for the attack. Okay, so this one, attack, tertia, tatong attack. So, look, so cut the hand. Look, sorry. 1, 2. Okay, like this. Remember that? So one more time. Cut the hand, cut the hand, cut the hand. Okay, then stop. Carry and stop the side. Set.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2. Cut the hand. Okay. Then another strike. Carry. And then propel.
Yeah.
Time. 2. Cut the hand. Check. Carry. And propel. Stop. And downward finger eight. Number 3. So parry like this, look. 1, 2, and 3. See, like that. And stop. And downward finger eight, whatever. 4. Cut the hand. Okay, so like this. So cut the hand and check. Okay, he stop again. Carry. Then compare and stop. 5. Like that. See, 5. Carry the hand and cut. And then 3. Stop. 6, parry. Stop. Yes. So that's how you practice. Tertia Baningo is the same. 1, 2, and then 1. By hooking the knife and control the elbow.
Yeah.
Okay. After that, push. Cut. Stop.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's how you control it.
Yeah.
Tertia Hirada. 1, 2, nothing. And after that, disarm.
Yeah.
So you can do disarming like this, or you can do like this, clipping, and then disarm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, then you can do figure 4.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
But the only different, we don't block with the hand. We don't use the hand to deflect the stick. Always with stick, because the principles behind, if this is a blade, you will get cut. So that's why block, balik, deflect. Deflect. Sige, deflect. Trust. Use the trust. See, this is what happened now. That's why, later on, you will drill the 6 count drills or the 10 count drills. Level 1 block, the Pasandig block, remember? You only the drills with this. Drills, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, that's our drills for Pasandig block. So this is how your opponent, your training with a basic. Now they improve. Go to level 2. Level 2, bang. Block. Always this. See, this one. Then later on, so lock. So 1, lock. Ganun. Always this. Then deflect. 1, strike here, outside. See? Then later on, you can do the drills and disarming.
Wait, bitin.
Hindi yun.
Ha?
Lock.
Kaya nga.
Same attack with the tertia. So lock, ha? So tap the hand. I will do the application, of this tertia. 1, tap the hand. See? This one. Yeah, then strike. See? Strike. Then boom. Uppercut. So one more time. 1. Boom. Then you can lock already. Then push the neck. Then disarm. Then throw. See? Number 2. Lock. Strike. So strike isa with the forearm. Boom. Then he cut my leg. Bam. Then boom. Bam. Then swing, disarm, lock, and then stop. Yeah, number 3. So you parry this, That's why you boom. Then disarm again. Then throw. 4, block, then deflect, and cut, then uppercut. So this one. Okay, then stop the side of the body. Yes. Number 5, cut, cut, and then sum, okay? Then wing lock, then pang, pang. Number 6, cut the hand, deflect, parry, boom. Ah! Yes, so that's how you, thank you, Maestro.
Alright.
That's how you practice with the stick and empty hand. Let's go on tercia abanico. Maestro. So tercia abanico is different. But the movement, the first movement is the same, and the third movement is different. So look,
Okay.
tercia abanico. So 1, parry the hand, look, slowly, slowly. This is what happened, huh? Just do it slowly. So cut the hand. Okay, then number 2, serrada. So always lower your stick downward because it will hit the body, the leg. So you have to deflect downward. Even hitting the body, you have to deflect like this. Okay? Hitting the leg, the same. Okay? Then after that, strike again, abanico. Check the, so do abanico, check the elbow. Go to the left side, with the left foot. Yeah, then after that, push, and then strike. The leg, the body, the neck. Okay? So one more time. So, parry, deflect, abanico, and control the elbow. Go to the left side. Then, strike the leg, the body, the neck, and sungkiti. Then strike. Then, downward figure eight again. Cincoteros. So, lock, downward figure eight, sungkiti, cincoteros. Then, pabilog, sungkiti, and then snap strike. Yes. Okay. Then number 2, deflect. So always deflect, pak, then go back, deflect. Then abanico, go to the left side. Always go to the left side. Push the elbow, hit the leg. Push the elbow, hit the body. Push the elbow, hit the neck or the temple. You can hit the temple if you like. Then sungkiti, strike. You can do upward figure eight. Yes, upward, then sungkiti, back. Circular, sungkit, then strike. Yeah, number 3, cut. Okay, then abanico immediately. So abanico, because in reality, it's abanico to the hand. Yeah, so but abanico to the hand, then boom. Same. Okay, number 4, go back, then deflect, then abanico, push. Good. Number 5, parry the hand, deflect, abanico. Number 3, number 6. 1, 2, 3. Same. Yes. Okay, so that's how what we call tercia abanico. Okay, now practice tercia abanico. So, the same, cut the hand, deflect. Now tercia serrada. Yes. Then after that, push the hand. The same. Yes, sungkit. And then counter classical downward figure eight. Okay, so one more time. So cut the hand, bam. Cutting the hand, okay, this is only for the hand, stick, the hand, the neck. Okay, or the hand, the other hand of your opponent. So that's why the empty hand for this is like this also. Look, punch. So the punching is coming, look. So you deflect and cut the hand or the neck, or cutting the nerve. Yes, so this one. So punch, boom. Okay, this one. Okay, then he strike to the Muay Thai with the back fist, deflect. Now strike with the other hand. See, that's why you do like this. Look. So look, huh? 1, 2, and 3. See, that's then after that pull. Then boom, elbow. See, that's why that's the application of Hirada. Yeah. Tertia abanico is different. So 1, 2, then yeah, then this one. Yeah, so back fist, just like downward back fist, bang. Then push the elbow, strike the thigh, strike the side of the body, strike the temple. See, the same. So that's the Hirada. Now, so look. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. So after this, you can fold the hand, you can throw, holding. And then this one, get the finger down, and then throw. This is now the combination. Yes. So that's how you practice Hirada. Okay, now for the stick, Hirada. So cut the hand. Yes, then control, control, and control. Number 2, block. Sorry. 2, deflect, and then Hirada. Control, control, control. 3, cut, Hirada. Control, control, control. 4. So this is number 4, lock. Cut, then deflect, and Hirada. 5, deflect, deflect, Hirada. Cut, cut, cut. 6, deflect the hand, Hirada. 1, 2, 3, and cut. Bang. Okay. So 6, lock. Cut the hand, lock, lock. Cut the hand. See, strike, strike, strike with stick. Cut the hand. See? So always cut the hand like this. Look. Cut the hand and deflect. Yeah, then Hirada. So Hirada is cutting already. Tanang. Then control, control, control. Okay. Okay, try to practice now Hirada. Tertia Hirada.